Hey friends, it's Tyler from Rehab to Fab Designs, and today we're going to be creating some fall decor using some pumpkins and Dixie Belle paint products. I picked up these plastic white colored pumpkins from Amazon. I'll try to drop a link in the comment section below. Here you can see I was trying to show them off, and my dog was walking through the video, and my 1-year-old was throwing a ball at me. How cute. For this project, we're going to be using Dixie Belle's new Suzanne's Fall Colors. There are 5 colors in the lineup. There's Merlot, there's Latte, there's Cashmere, Pumpkin Spice, and the last color you see here is called Juniper. They're great for any fall decor or any other projects you want to work on. These pumpkins did not have an overly slick feel to them, so I was able to just start painting them right away. Had they been slick in nature, I would have used a coat of Slick Stick by Dixie Belle. It's a product used to apply to your object before painting that will help your paint adhere better, giving your paint something to grab a hold to. I chose to paint my pumpkins using 3 colors. I used the Latte, the Cashmere, and the Juniper because I had plans for gold leafing these and thought that those colors would go best with my gold leaf and my decor. I typically use Mod Podge to apply my gold leaf. There is a product out there that is made specifically for gold leaf that you apply. It's tacky in nature as well, but not quite as thick and sticky as Mod Podge, and it works really well. I just happen to have Mod Podge on hand, so that's what I used. Using small artist brush, I dipped it in my Mod Podge and then just painted it on to the top of my pumpkins where I wanted the gold leaf to lay. These projects are pretty small, so the amount of Mod Podge that I'm applying to them is not really crucial, but if you're working on larger projects, you'll want to apply your Mod Podge or your gold leaf adhesive in smaller sections. The reason you'll want to do this is because it tends to dry pretty quickly, and so by the time you finish applying your adhesive all the way around the pumpkin, it may be dry on the first area you started with. There's my sweet baby Remy in the background, who decided he didn't want to throw balls anymore, and he came over to play with my new pumpkins. Oh, also before I forget, I only applied 1 coat of this paint because I got good coverage with it. If you need, you can always add a second coat, but again, I got great coverage with the 1 coat that I applied. So now for the fun and very messy part. Gold leaf, as far as I know, comes in 2 different forms. You can buy it in sheets or you can buy it in what I call a confetti or loose leaf type material, and I have the loose leaf on hand, so that's what we'll be using. You can pick it up and separate it. It kind of comes in clumps, and a lot of times those clumps will have larger pieces in it that you can open up and spread to make larger pieces to apply to your pumpkin, but you can also use those smaller more confetti like pieces to add as well, which just gives you a little bit more dimension in my opinion, as opposed to just putting a whole sheet of foil or gold leaf down and not giving you a whole lot of shape. The sheets are, however, probably easier to work with on something like this. Once you get your gold leaf applied over top of your adhesive, you'll want to take another small artist brush that's clean and dry, and I just use it to kind of rub over or tap down the loose leaf gold leaf to make sure that it's lying flat and not sticking up anywhere. Doing this will get some of your adhesive on the brush, so you may have to kind of wipe it off as you go or have a couple of brushes on standby. Continue applying gold leaf to the tops of all your pumpkins. Be sure and vary the shape of where the gold leaf goes. In other words, you want to resemble a drip so that some of the gold leaf travels lower and further down on the pumpkin itself, and other areas are up higher like you see here. Continue painting in all the great fall colors you picked out. An easy way to utilize these in your fall decorations at home is to set them on a burlap runner with some sugar molds and some cute fall flowers, and you're ready to go. Thanks for watching.